Welcome back to the Virginia School Boards Association video update. My name is Jeremy Bennett, and here's the latest in government relations. Today marks the first day of the 2018 Virginia General Assembly regular session. Legislators return to Richmond for a 60-day session. In the House of Delegates, members will vote to elect a new speaker, decide on rules, determine committee chairs. VSBA lobbyists have been tracking the dozens of pre-filed bills pertaining to education, and we intend to send you updates on important legislation as it develops. Over at the executive branch, Governor-elect Northam's inauguration will take place this Saturday in Richmond. Since our last update, the Governor-elect announced Atif Khari as his Secretary of Education. Mr. Carney is currently a civics, economics, history, and math teacher at Beville Middle School in Prince William County. For Superintendent of Education, Governor McAuliffe named Dr. Steve Constantino as his acting superintendent. Governor McAuliffe also released his proposed budget for the 2018-2020 biennium on December 18th. Information on the budget and the impact it has on public education can be found on our legislative update blog. At the VSBA, we have long stressed that our members are the most effective advocates for education. To that end, we would encourage you to register for the VSBA's Capital Conference on January 22nd and January 23rd at the Richmond Marriott. The first day will have presentations from distinguished speakers such as the Governor-elect and opportunities to interact with your elected officials. The second day is a chance for you to meet with your legislators and to help educate them on issues important to education and our organization. Registration information and a schedule of events can be located on our website. As always, we value any feedback that you might have and appreciate your work on behalf of Virginia students. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.